according to the Mumbai Bureau Chief Megha Prasad, they have already filed a caveat in the Bombay High Court, in Delhi High Court, and also the National Company Law Tribunal for the simple reason that in case Cyrus Mistry ever comes to court trying to challenge this entire decision, then they will have to inform Tata Sons that there is this plea that has been filed to challenge the decision, and that the courts cannot part any sort of an ex parte ad interim relief, and that is something that the Tata Sons would want to. Remember yesterday also in the board meeting itself, during the when they were asking Cyrus Mistry to step down, at that time also he was told that they had already taken legal counsel so that all the decisions taken about removing him were in consonance with the Articles of Association and also in consonance with other rules and regulations that govern the board. So it was very clear that Tata Sons were prepared right from the beginning, even before they actually announced the sacking.
Right. Kajal, also the fact remains that, it's not going to be as simple as removing Cyrus Mistry as a chairman, because there would be so many other, powers and positions which would be disbanded. So this is a real shake-up that is probably going to happen within the Tata Group.
Yes, in fact, the new committee has 4 months to find a replacement for Cyrus Mistry. If you remember correctly, before Cyrus was appointed, it took almost a year for the Tata Group to find a replacement for Ratan Tata. In these 4 months, of course, Ratan Tata would be the interim head. But as it happens with every senior management shake-up, the new person always brings in their own team. So right now, in the last 4 years, Cyrus had formed his own team, which was actually taking care of the various interests of Tata Sons, and given the fact that now he himself has been asked to step down, his team will also perhaps face the repercussions, and that will be a major shake-up and will have impact even on the stocks of Tata Sons for the days to come.
Kajal, the issue really gets extremely complicated owing to the fact that given the financial and the family backing that Cyrus Mistry enjoys, any legal challenge that even if he chooses to mount against his dismissal could lead to a lot of uncertainties for the Tata Group at large.
If at all this battle becomes a legal battle, it will be a very ugly battle, because all the secrets and all the goodwill that Tata Sons have earned so far, all of this will be brought out to the cleaners, because it will be most likely in an open court, and it will lead to several speculations about the health of the company itself. Remember, Shapoorji Pallonji, the parent company to which Cyrus Mistry's family belongs, is also one of the major shareholders in Tata Sons. So they will consider even their own financial interests before deciding how to go ahead or whether or not to challenge this entire decision.